Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. So today I wanted to discuss uh, different ways you could maybe invest in crypto without having any money. Yes, I know it might sound like a scam, but it's actually not a scam. And I know there's a lot of people out there. If you look at the crypto market, it's at $3.28 trillion, and a lot of people have become millionaires and they want to invest in crypto. But life is difficult. Everything is so expensive out there. Maybe after paying your rent, paying for food, paying your utility bills, maybe you don't have any money left. So I think this will be a great way to at least invest in some crypto, and hopefully it helps you in the future to have some extra cash, right? If the crypto that you invest in goes up. Personally, I like to invest in XRP. That's actually the only crypto that I hold. I have other few, probably like $100 worth, but XRP is the main one that I hold, and that's the one that I always talk about in my videos. But let me show you what website to use. So you want to go to Coinbase. As you can see, I don't really have a lot in my Coinbase wallets, and the reason is because when Ripple got sued, they did list the XRP. So I move all my XRP to Uphold, which is the website that I recommend if you want to hold XRP. Personally, I have half of my XRP in cold storage, right? A ledger, but yeah, definitely. You could also use Coinbase now because they relisted XRP. See, XRP available for trading. You can see it right here. So you're able to buy some XRP again. It took about 3 or 4 years, but now they relisted it. Alright, so getting into the information. Once you go to Coinbase, you make your account. You do the verification, all of these things. If you want a video on that, let me know, and I could also help out with that. But you want to go to here, to where it says Learning Rewards. Right over here. And when you click Learning Rewards, right over here, you will see that it says Learning Rewards right up here. And it says you can learn up to $84. I think it's actually more, but I've done some of this in the previous year, so maybe it's a little less for me. But you can see here, if you learn about Alio, whatever this is, you get 33 bucks worth of Alio. If you learn about Demo, you get $27 worth of Demo. If you learn about Core Chain, you get 18 bucks, etc. So you could continue on that. And why don't we do one of them together just to see how it is. So let's do this Core Chain. So I'm gonna hit Start in Core Chain, and it says there's 8 different tasks that I have to do, right? So Core Intro is $1. I guess every single task is $1, but the last 3 are a different price and they're locked. See, like Send a Friend Core, that's $3. Stake Core on Elements, that's $5. And the other ones are $1 each, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I click on that just to see what it is, I guess I'll have to read this. Is the Moist Bitcoin and EVM compatible? Blah blah blah. It's interesting. Then I'll read the next one. Rather than altering Bitcoin base layer, core models predict on delineating between Bitcoin networks and BTC assets. Bitcoin networks is security and provides build-on perfect incentive alignments. BTC asset is a receiver of the Bitcoin network security. Core is designed to extend the Bitcoin network incentive apparatus and EVM compatible blockchain network by ledgering Bitcoin security through Satoshi. So I'm gonna go through this. Just gonna read it in my mind so you guys don't have to listen to me reading this the whole time. But this is basically how you do it. Just go through this quickly. And yeah, you're done. So which blockchain is Core mostly aligned with? think they were mentioning some Bitcoin. So I guess they give you some questions at the end. So I just earned 1 core chain. Continue. And let me see if we go to my assets. You see, core, I have $1 already. So you might want to go through every single one of these learning rewards. And once you're done, let's say you do all of them, or let's say you get $50, what you could do is then go to my assets, and you could exchange this for a USDC. So you could say, I might not have enough, I only have $1, but you could say payment stuff. But I'll sell, here it is. Oh, convert, sorry, convert. Could go to convert, say $1 US, 1.06. Is that the max that I have here? 0.5, maybe 0.4. Well, just $1. And then you could convert this to USDC and review order and convert now. Cool. So now I just converted that to USDC, and that's basically a stable coin, pegged to the US dollar. Or if you could convert this to XRP now too, you could do that as well, right? If you're gonna buy XRP directly, you could do that as well. So that's the way to get some free money. And once you do all of this, just convert them to either USDC or to whatever crypto you want to hold. And it's legit. Actually, I have their website here, their YouTube video. It says introducing Coinbase Earn, a new way to earn crypto while you learn crypto. And this was actually 6 years ago. So Coinbase has had this for many years. And listen to what he says. I'm gonna play this video.
Earning and learning go hand in hand because we think the best way to learn about something is to actually use it and engage with it. And that's what Earn-style tasks are all about. So how does Coinbase Earn work? We've partnered with asset issuers to create high-quality, approachable educational content so you can learn crypto while you earn crypto.
Users can go to a page, watch educational videos relating to those assets, and then complete tasks about those assets. In return, they'll earn cryptocurrency.
We're starting with 0x as the first asset with educational content on Coinbase Earn. Going forward, there will be many more assets that we're going to be working with. You can apply to earn crypto at any Coinbase Earn page. You'll know if you're eligible if you receive an invite to Coinbase Earn in your inbox.
Alright, so that's basically how it works, and as you can see, there's a lot. So, I'll say if you don't have any money to invest in crypto, definitely do this. I mean, it's free. You get to learn a little more about crypto, and at the end, you could just convert it, like I show you, to whatever crypto you believe is going to have a bright future. In my opinion, is going to be XRP. I'm not a financial advisor, but that is my opinion. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you've done this already. If you haven't, if you're planning to do it. And there are other websites as well. As you can see here, I'm going to go all the way up. This says here 10 best learn and earn crypto programs. And you have Coinbase #1, of course. Binance, I don't know if they still have Binance US. I know Binance had a lot of issues in the US. CoinMarketCap, it looks like it wasn't available. I was checking. It's not available in the US. This one, you could earn, but you only earn about $5, I think, total. I didn't see much more. And the other ones I haven't checked, but maybe Robinhood has a good amount. I haven't really checked that one either. But you could check it out, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. But thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.